everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to change your password for Yidio account. If you're looking for a way to update or edit your password and change it to something else on Yidio, then it's quite easy. So the first thing to do is to open a web browser and type in yidio.com in the search box and search. If you're not logged into your account, make sure you do, and then once you are in, go ahead and mouse over to your name at the top right hand corner and click on account. Now this will open up the account settings page. If you want to change your password, go ahead and click on the change password button at the top of the screen. Now go ahead and enter the old password, which is the current password you are using for your Yidio account, in the first text box. Once you enter the current password, in the new password text box, type in the new password you are trying to change to for your account. Now, in the last text box where it says confirm new password, type in the newly created password one more time. Make sure both of the passwords in the new password and confirm password text box matches. And finally click save changes, and you have successfully changed to a new password on yidio.com. Next time you try to log into your Yidio account, you'll need to enter the new password as well. So that is how you can easily change your password for Yidio. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.